Today we're featuring a 2014 Jeep Patriot Latitude. It's a two-wheel drive. It's got 48,000 miles on it. Got a clean CARFAX One-Owner. It's black clear coat in color. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way up the driver's side here. A little bit of a ding right here in the quarter panel, the fender right there. Try to rotate the camera around. There you go. A little ding right there. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. Does have the tow hitch down here and a plug. Right here on the back quarter panel, just a metal right there is just a little wrinkled up, just a small spot. Got a small ding right here in the door. Okay, so just a few little dings here and there. It's got 48,000 miles on a 14. Okay, but it will be competitively priced. It will be fairly priced. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have black leather seating, power driver's seat. It's got the white stitching. Driver's seat's in good shape. Okay, it is equipped with the sunroof. It does have a keyless entry key fob with remote start. Okay, it is two-wheel drive. Passenger seat leather is in great shape. Okay, it does have a convenient plug-in right here up underneath the center console. It is an automatic. Got your heated seats, climate control area, AM FM CD player, leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. It's got 48,443 miles on it. Alright, I'll go ahead and take a seat in here. Go ahead and turn it on. Give you a shot of the AM FM CD. Got the climate controls, heated seats. Okay, it does have 48,443 miles on it. AC's already blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Let me go ahead and walk around, let some more light in back here, just so you can really see the detail in the seats. Alright, let's try that again. See a little bit better this time. Alright, black leather, the white stitching. Everything looks really good. Got a little bit of repair right here in the back seat. A little bit of a wrinkle right there. Okay, but other than that, everything looks really good. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look in the back. Carpet back here is in good shape. Got your spare tire back there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the passenger front seat again. It's just so hard to see this black leather sometimes. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Kind of got the smoky gray alloys, 17-inch alloys. Tires are still in really good shape. No problem there. All right, once again, it's a 2014 Jeep Patriot. It's a Latitude edition. It's two-wheel drive, 48,000 miles on it. Clean CARFAX One-Owner. It's got a couple little dings in the exterior. Little deal with the back seat leather back there, but other than that, things in great shape. Okay, it'll be priced accordingly. It'll be competitively priced. So come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.